Hello everyone, are you looking for a simple, natural way to cool your body, reduce inflammation, and glow from the inside out? Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated superfoods, cucumber juice. Refreshing, healing, and surprisingly powerful. In this video, we'll cover the top 4 benefits of cucumber juice and why it deserves a spot in your daily wellness routine. What is cucumber juice? Cucumber juice is made from fresh slicing cucumbers, yes, the same ones you find at any grocery store. These belong to the Cucumis sativa species, related to melons and squashes. While whole cucumbers are great, juicing them amplifies their healing powers. This is known as monojuicing, focusing on just one vegetable to extract its full benefits. Like celery or carrot juice, cucumber juice is gaining popularity for good reason. How to make it right to get the best results: use raw, unpeeled, organic cucumbers. Skip the pasteurized or bottled versions, they lack the enzymes and nutrients. Toss it. And always go organic to avoid pesticide residue, especially when juicing. Benefit number 1: cooling and anti-inflammatory power. There's a reason we say cool as a cucumber. In Ayurveda, the Sanskrit word sushitalam literally means very cooling. Cucumber juice can help reduce internal inflammation, especially in the gut and joints. This is thanks to cucurbitacins, particularly cucurbitacin C, compounds found in the cucumber peel. These natural anti-inflammatories are part of what makes cucumber juice one of the most cooling and soothing juices, even rivaling celery juice. Benefit number 2: natural pain relief. Cucumber juice doesn't just reduce inflammation, it may actually relieve pain. It contains flavonoids and tannins, which studies link to pain relief, or analgesic effects. One key compound is apigenin, also found in celery and chamomile, known for its calming and anti-inflammatory influence, especially on the nervous system, which plays a big role in how we feel pain. When and how to use it for pain. In one study, a cucumber extract helped people with knee osteoarthritis experience real pain relief, just 10 mg twice a day. To use cucumber juice at home, drink 8 to 16 ounces, from 1 to 2 cucumbers, preferably on an empty stomach in the morning. It's gentle, soothing, and deeply hydrating. Benefit number 3: detox and cleansing properties. Cucumbers are more than 90% water, making their juice super hydrating and a natural diuretic. This means it helps your body flush out waste, acids, and toxins. It also has alkalizing effects, balancing body pH and easing issues like acid reflux or acidosis. Plus, it may help reduce uric acid levels linked to conditions like gout. Skin benefits and short detoxes. Because of its hydrating and cleansing nature, cucumber juice also promotes clear, radiant skin. It's low in sugar, high in water, and great for short detox routines. Try drinking it daily for a few days to feel the difference. Benefit number 4: a natural source of silica. Did you know cucumbers are rich in silica, or silicon? This mineral is essential for collagen production, which keeps our skin, hair, nails, and joints strong and youthful. Though still being researched, silica is believed to help with bone health and tissue repair. Cucumber juice is a gentle way to supplement your intake naturally. Precautions. Quick note: too much cucumber juice might cause loose stools or digestive changes. Avoid it if you're allergic to cucumbers or sensitive to cucurbitacins. And always talk to your doctor if you're pregnant, nursing, on medication, or managing a health condition. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and check out our other videos on natural remedies and superfoods. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy, natural.